Welcome to Social Quiz Corner. Get ready for another quiz on Class 8th Industries Chapter Part 1. 1. Which activity adds more value by changing raw materials into products? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Quaternary. Answer. Secondary. 2. Iron and steel, production of goods, coal mining? A. Manufacturing. B. Extraction. C. Service. D. Trade. Answer. Extraction. 3. Industries are classified based on A. Climate and relief. B. Raw material, size, ownership. C. Population. D. Transport. Answer. Raw material, size, ownership. 4. Industries using plant and animal products belong to A. Mineral-based. B. Marine-based. C. Agro-based. D. Forest-based. Answer. Agro-based. 5. Identify the odd one out. A. Dairy. B. Cotton textile. C. Leather. D. Iron and steel. Answer. Iron and steel because it is mineral-based. 6. Cotton textile, agro-based, iron ore industry. A. Marine-based. B. Forest-based. C. Mineral-based. D. Service. Answer. Mineral-based. 7. Mineral-based industries mainly use A. Crops. B. Animal products. C. Mineral was. D. Seafood. Answer. Mineral was. 8. Industries using sea products belong to A. Agro-based. B. Mineral-based. C. Marine-based. D. Forest-based. Answer. Marine-based. 9. Identify the odd one out. A. Fish oil. B. Seafood processing. C. Shipbuilding. D. Tourism. Answer. Tourism, remaining all marine-based. 10. Pulp and paper industry belongs to A. Agro-based. B. Marine-based. C. Forest-based. D. Mineral-based. Answer. Forest-based. 11. Identify the incorrect pair. A. Dairy, agro-based. B. Iron, mineral-based. C. Fish oil, marine-based. D. Paper, agro-based. Answer. Paper, agro-based. 12. Which industry mainly produces services, not goods? A. Steel. B. Coal mining. C. Tourism. D. Cotton textile. Answer. Tourism. 13. Industries based on size are classified into A. Agro and mineral. B. Public and private. C. Small and large scale. D. Marine and forest. Answer. Small and large scale. 14. Cottage industries are mainly characterized by A. Machine production. B. Factory system. C. Handmade products. D. Large output. Answer. Handmade products. 15. Identify the odd one out. A. Basket weaving. B. Pottery. C. Handicrafts. D. Automobile. Answer. Automobile. 16. Small-scale industries differ from large-scale mainly in A. Raw material. B. Capital and technology. C. Ownership. D. Location. Answer. Capital and technology. 17. Silk weaving, small scale, automobiles. A. Cottage. B. Small scale. C. Large scale. D. Cooperative. Answer. Large scale. 18. Large scale industries require A. Low capital. B. Manual tools. C. High capital and advanced technology. D. Home-based work. Answer. High capital and advanced technology. 19. Identify the odd one out. A. Automobile. B. Heavy machinery. C. Steel plant. D. Pottery. Answer. Pottery. 20. Industries classified by ownership include A. Agro, mineral. B. Small, large. C. Private, public, joint, cooperative. D. Marine, forest. Answer. Option C. 21. Industries owned by individuals belong to A. Public sector. B. Joint sector. C. Private sector. D. Cooperative sector. Answer. Private sector. 22. Which is a public sector industry? A. Maruti Udyog. B. Amul. C. HAL. D. Tata Motors. Answer. HAL. 23. Government ownership, public sector, producers ownership. A. Private. B. Joint. C. Cooperative. D. Small scale. Answer. Cooperative. 24. Joint sector industries are owned by A. Workers only. B. Government only. C. Government and individuals. D. Farmers only. Answer. Government and individuals. 25. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of A. Private sector. B. Public sector. C. Joint sector. D. Cooperative sector. Answer. Joint sector.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.